Just hit my head after. Well, good morning, human units. How are we? So, day 2. We're just finished at our camp and making our way to the next camp spot, which I still can't pronounce, so I'll put the details there. What an incredible first day though. I'm actually a bit blown away by how beautiful this area is, and I slept like a log last night. I always sleep better in freezing weather, so I slept so well last night. So yeah, so a few river crossings today, so let's see how they go. But we're going to be in less cold conditions tonight. We're down in the valley to Loch Greener, but like last night it went to -5, which was absolutely crazy. There was ice on the outside the tent and it was snowing as well. Would you call it snow or just ice? But look, absolutely incredible. Okay, we're gonna keep going. A good few kilometers to cover. All right, bye. I think that's one of my most favorite things that I've seen so far, is anywhere where there's hot springs in this freezing, like absolute Mars environment. It's all green, beautiful green. I've spotted that a good few times, and the water, the springs here, it's incredible. Yeah, there's one thing I adore, because especially in an environment like this, which is very bland, like you have this beautiful line of green going up. Incredible. That's what I love, right in the middle of all this. A beautiful strip of green. Reminds me of home, Ireland. How cool is this? There's a cave on the other side, not a cave, just a full breakthrough. Ice above us. Amazing. Go bivvy camping, huh? Just hit my head after. That poor guy is still playing in my head. The 24-year-old guy who, yeah. It's so sad because he obviously was just disorientated and he couldn't find his way. But he was so close. Like, It was literally just right over the hill, like 400 meters, but he just couldn't see where he was, got caught in the blizzard and died, unfortunately. Yeah, very sad. My God, the smell of the sulfur, it's like rotten eggs. It kind of reminds me of my tent this morning. Not a bad spot for lunch. We're gonna stay around here, get some noodles into us. Down to the lake, that's our campsite. Happy days. This is absolutely shockingly beautiful. I'm looking at two glaciers, 1, 2, 3, 4 volcanoes. To break out the sun hat. It's getting quite warm now. We're kind of coming down into the valley now, so it's kind of the end of the end of the snow, getting into a lot of greenery, we'll say, and a couple of river crossings to go. So our first river crossing. We just want to see the best way to go. We're going to try get over without taking our boots off, but if we have to take them off, we have to take them off. So it's actually too deep, so we brought shoes for this, so why not use them? We've arrived. What a spot for camping, look. What do we have today? Pasta bolognese. Yeah. What a spot. Nothing better to top off the day. Cup of tea and a whisper. I thought nothing could top the day we had yesterday, but today was spectacular, and we still have 2 days to go. Wow. It's my first time having these meals, the real meals. Absolute. Beautiful. Anyway, that's the end of day 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for day 3.